Let's be very clear here. We like to make our own rules when we cook.
We don't know how to cook.
There are no rules, okay? Today is a very special Sunday in the Mutyala household. We are doing something that is my personal favorite. Today, we are making...
Not making, trying to.
No, we are making...
Masala Dosa.
Masala Dosa! Masala Dosa, Masala Dosa, Masala Dosa. We are not making the actual dosa mix. It is from an idli/dosa batter that has calcium, iron, and vitamin C that you can buy at your local Indian store. Ding. So what is a masala dosa, Father Raj?
Well, it's like a dosha, but you put, potato curry in it.
Exactly. The masala is a potato curry. So we're gonna make the potato curry, but then my dad has been making these bomb peanut chutney from scratch. So we're gonna do a masala dosa plus peanut chutney Sunday breakfast. And it is so good, you're gonna love it. Step one for a masala dosa is the dosa batter. This is also an idli batter, which is double the fun. 3 boiled up, cut up potatoes in a beautiful bowl. Dad, what did I tell you about paper plates? We need to stop using them.
Oh, okay.
I will do the dishes.
Okay.
About 2 onions, what else?
And red pepper, about 2 or 3. 2 green chilies, curry leaves.
Cut up ginger?
Guess what that is?
Coriander.
Yeah, coriander leaves.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
You need some turmeric, chili powder, mustard seeds, salt, oil. It's in this little can. This is what we do. Right now, we're starting with the masala for the masala dosa. Okay, how much oil?
2 spoons of oil. Put some mustard seeds, 1 spoon. Wait until it gets boiled a little bit.
Daddy, stop being so quiet.
No.
Feed yourself.
Let me get...
If you saw Father Raj in his natural state, dancing around with headphones on, if you only knew that, Dad.
Put your mustard seeds.
So you have some oil, now you're adding the mustard seeds.
And then when
Aren't they supposed to pop, Dad?
it's going to.
I basically have dosas 4 times a week.
That's not good.
Why? So you keep doing this until you really see the popping, right?
Right. You ready? Put the curry leaves. And then put ginger. Or red pepper. Onions. And your everything. Except this coriander leaves.
Why not the leaves at the end?
At the end. Now, why don't you start mixing? Looking good, huh?
Yeah. Now, how long?
It takes about 4 or 5 minutes till the
Onions get brown.
brown.
Be back in 4 to 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Look at those nice brown onions. Yeah. Get at it, turmeric. I love the color turmeric turns vegetables.
It smells good too. Now you add your potatoes now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Higher, lower.
Okay,
This is me contributing.
add those potatoes.
Because everyone's like, you make your...
Add it before they get.
Calm down.
Yeah. And mix it a little bit.
I contributed.
Mix it a little bit.
You gotta show this, come on.
Okay.
And you wonder why I have him do it. He doesn't know how to record.
It's getting thick here, so you add some water to it.
Oh.
So it won't stick.
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Is that enough?
Little more. Okay, that's enough. And salt.
Let's just do like Mom.
That's enough. No, that's enough. Now you can smash these little potatoes. And
Yeah, I like them a little smashed. And then it'll just turn into a curry.
yeah. So add some more water a little bit. Yeah.
How long do they sit like this, Dad?
5 more minutes. It's done.
That's it?
Yeah.
Man, that looks bomb. That felt so easy that I feel like I could do it.
You can do it.
One last step we forgot. Hello, our leaves.
No, we didn't forget. We can add it.
This looks great, Dad. I was confused, like, how that was finished so quickly, but it's because the potatoes were already boiled. I want to taste it. I want to be the taste tester. I want to be a taste tester. I want to be a taste tester. I want to be a taste tester. Yum. Now on to the peanut chutney. My absolute favorite is coconut chutney, but my dad has been making this peanut chutney, and it is so bomb. You guys need to try it out. It's everything. So step 1 is a cup of roasted peanuts. And then you put it into the mixer. This is a Vitamix, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Ginger.
Chili, garlic, some curry leaves, chana dal, urad dal, and 4 red pepper.
So take all of this and fry it into that.
Yeah.
Before you put it into that,
Yep.
the big question everybody wants to know the answer to, including your own daughter.
What is that?
Why are there so many damn tongs up there?
Ask mama. Ask your mom also same thing.
You know what I think it is? Whenever we've catered food before from a restaurant, they give it to us and she doesn't let go.
Just for decoration.
That's not decoration.
And this first.
Note to self, don't touch red flakes and then touch your nose.
Oh yeah, careful. They're all in.
So you're gonna let that kind of heat up?
Heat up, yeah.
Switch to my phone because my camera died. Shocking.
This is ready now.
Okay, so now basically after you mix it up with the oil, Dad, what did you say? You said you had to let it cool down before it goes in here because something happens.
That's right, yeah.
Some salt added in, and then my dad's adding some water. What is that?
Guess.
I have no clue.
Tamarind.
Oh. Go, Daddy, go. Ooh, wow! Yum.
This one. Tomorrow you can make it for me. Breakfast.
Well, let's not get carried away. Okay, apparently we're not done, right, Raj?
Right.
What's going on?
We're going to add some oil.
Basically the same ingredients again.
Yeah.
You're adding like garnishing at the top.
Garnish. Add this to this. See? This is how chutney should look. Right?
That looks really good.
Okay, you're done.
Now to make the actual dosas. You know, even though this is coming from a box, there is an art form in how you make dosas. I like my dosas thin and crispy. You like them a little more thick and fluffy.
Okay.
No,
I'll make
there's
it the
no
way you
right or
want.
wrong.
I'll make the way you want. Just try to do push-up.
So, but you start from the middle.
Yeah, then circle it.
I want to circle it.
Yeah, you do it. You can do it now. Tomorrow onwards you can. This is all.
Start in the center.
Yeah.
And you
Little
slow.
more, slow.
No, I know what I'm doing. Mom taught me this a long time ago. Then you take some oil around the border. Look at that sizzling noise.
Let me turn this one time on the side too.
I feel like dosas are the Indian crepe.
South Indian.
South Indian crepe. You know, so many people are commenting saying you don't do anything. Tell them I do things. Dad?
You're busy. I'm retired, so I have nothing to do.
Oh my God, I made a little baby masala dosa.
And
This is cute. Look how pretty it looks, and there's the curry inside. I did a good job. All right, peeps, we're gonna be making some more, but it's best to eat it nice and crispy. Those are the dosas. These are the completed curries. Yeah, looks so good. Get my peanut chutney on the side. My mouth is salivating. I swear, you know how they say like, what's the one thing you could eat every day? I feel like dosas might be that thing.
it's good.
Perfect amount of crispiness. It is so good, Dad.
It's good.
Oh, don't downplay it. It's not just good. Dad, you're just as good as Mom. I said it on record.
Mom does better job.
What could have been better about this?
I don't know how to do these things.
What are you talking about? This is delicious. Proud of you.
Yep, we'll get it up.
This is the continued adventures of Papa Pandu cooking. Hope you guys learned something. Let us know.
They can come back for lunch too.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And thanks so much for watching. We're gonna keep eating. I'm just gonna enjoy this moment.
Subscribe.
You did good, good dad.
Thank you.
Oh my God, my mouth is burning.